Hello friends, today in this video we are going to learn how to make a bootable pen drive with the help of Rufus software. Link will be provided in the description. Okay, so for it we need to check the MBR and GPT partitions that I have already mentioned in the previous video. Now I'll go to the Rufus website. Okay, and from there I'll download the Rufus. So here is the page. Okay, so it will look like this. From this website you can download Rufus latest version. Okay, and then I'll go to the Ubuntu website. From here you could download the latest Ubuntu 22.04. okay, so now the main task is making pen drive bootable. So for this I need Rufus. So here I am selecting ISO file which I have already downloaded, so selecting it, and here checking MBR and GPT partition. You can check my previous video, link will be provided in the description box. Okay. So now your pen drive is ready to boot with Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. Now let us check. So here are all the folders which are required. Thank you.